Are you planning to work on a cruise ship or already on board and curious about what life is really like? Today, we'll answer the most common question asked by crew members, straightforward and real talk. Let's go. How long is the contract on a cruise ship? Most contracts range from 6 to 9 months on board, depending on your possession and the cruise line. After your contract, you usually get a vacation for about 2 to 3 months before joining again. Do we need to pay for food and accommodation? No. Food and accommodation are free on board for crew. The company provides meals in the crew mess and a cabin to stay in. However, personal items, snacks, or internet usage are usually at your own expense. Is there a grocery store for crew members? Yes. Most cruise ships have cruise shop or slop chests where you can buy essentials like toiletries, snacks, and basic items. It's very convenient, especially if you run out of personal supplies during the contract. Do crew members get discounts on alcohol, snacks, and perfume? Yes. Crew members usually get special discounts when buying from the crew bar or onboard shops. Alcohol, snacks, cigarettes, and even perfumes are much cheaper compared to buy them on land. Are uniforms free for crew members? Yes, uniforms are provided by the company for free. But take note, you need to bring your own basics like socks, undershirt, or sandal to wear under your uniform. Shoes are sometimes provided depending on the position, but it's always safer to bring your own. How many people stay in one cabin? Normally, 2 crew members share on one cabin. But if you have a higher position or officer rank, you may be assigned to a single cabin with your own space. Is laundry free for crew members? Yes. Ships have a crew laundry area where you can wash and dry your clothes for free. Some cruise lines also offer laundry service for uniforms at no cost. Is internet free for crew? Most cruise lines do not provide free unlimited internet. There's crew internet available, but you need to buy data packages. Some companies give limited free Wi-Fi, but it's not common. How many hours do crew members work daily? On average, crew members work 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. Yes, there's no day off at sea, but you do get breaks and time to rest depending on your schedule. Can crew go out when the ship is in port? Yes, if you're off duty, you can go ashore and explore. This is one of the biggest perks of working on a cruise ship. You get to travel and see the world for free. Is there a gym or sports area for crew? Yes. Most ships have crew gym where you can exercise for free. Some also have basketball courts, table tennis, or other small sports area for crew to relax. Is there a crew bar or party area? Yes. Most ships have crew bar where drinks and snacks are much cheaper than guest bars. Sometimes, there are also crew parties, karaoke nights, or movie nights organized for entertainment. How much salary can I expect? Salaries vary by position. Entry-level jobs usually start around 500 to 900 per month, while higher-ranking officers can earn several $1,000s monthly. Plus, some positions like waiters or housekeeping also earn tips. Do I need to pay placement fees to work on a cruise ship? No. Legitimate cruise ship agencies never charge placement fees. You only pay for your medical, documents, and personal requirements. If an agency is asking for placement money, that's a red flag. Is it hard to adjust to ship life? At first, yes. You'll work long hours and live in small shared cabins, but once you adjust, you'll gain friends from around the world, learn discipline, and enjoy the adventure of traveling while earning. Can I bring my family on board? No. Family members cannot stay on board while you're working. But depending on your rank and cruise line, some companies offer discounted cruise tickets for family visits. What happens if I get sick on board? There's a medical center on board with doctors and nurses to take care of crew and passengers. If it's serious case, the company arrange medical repatriation back home. Working on a cruise ship is not easy, but it's rewarding experience. You'll work hard, travel the world, and build a career at sea. Do you have other questions about ship life? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer them in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship jobs tips. Thanks for watching.